but it is more of a harvest. The forbidden fruit one.
No, this is coffee flavored. So
This is the apple.
my thing was that if you can make a spray, that's coffee.
Kettle corn. Yeah.
Really? Oh wow.
Chicken on a stick. Turkey drumsticks.
Chicken on a stick? Where's that?
It says it up there somewhere.
Oh wow.
I wonder if this is the same place that sold the tie-dyes.
It's a different name.
Sure, come on in.
Handcrafted soap.
Smells good.
Let's get that on camera. All the handcrafted soaps.
Smells like a man.
Oh, it's nasty. What is it?
I thought I might.
Feel free to sniff around.
Oh yeah, we're sniffers.
Sniffing's free on Saturday. I charge nothing. I'm Nancy. If you have questions.
What does that smell like?
Smell the other ones over there. You bored? I was thinking about getting a bar of soap for because that little bitty bar, you know.
Yeah, we'll do it. Do you take cards or is it just cash?
Yeah. Oh, you kidding? We smoke them.
Okay. You don't know Applejack? You had Applejacks earlier.
You don't want to smell like honeysuckle though, do you?
I don't want to smell like lavender.
The best ones. Bee pollen
Bee pollen?
and honey for the orange.
Yeah. I don't want to smell like that.
Strong.
I don't mind. This is lemon verbena.
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 Lovely.
That didn't smell bad. That didn't smell too bad. I like that.
Well, I'm sure you smell clean anyway.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Yeah, but the hotel soap bar is like so small. It's
What hotel you at?
this little Main Street. Is it? What's it called?
Or something like that. Main Street
I'm in
Inn.
a tiny place called the Pixie Inn, but it's only $55 a night.
Oh wow.
You can't beat that.
We should have found that.
Okay, when we come back through, let's don't get anything to carry.
Yeah, soap on your nose. Do this.
It's straight out of 1950 though. Straight out.
Is it?
Oh,
Yeah.
look at the woolly worms.
Hey, let me see.
Oh, the little black ones are cute too.
Oh wow.
several sizes.
So what were you saying? We need to get a bag of carry stuff?
No, when we come back, so we're not carrying stuff the whole day.
Okay.
Thank you. I'm taking a picture so I can show everybody where I'm at. That's a good idea. Yeah.
You could drink out of that. See, lots of stuff to buy Abby.
Huh?
A lot more stuff in that festival than we took my mom to.
In Wilkesboro? Yeah, it didn't have anything up there.
Apples.
Ooh, how about them apples? Hey, how are you?
Doing great. $8 to $10 for the honey crisp will be your $10. The rest of them are
Yeah, the rest of them.
We're gonna walk out this way, so we're gonna we're just remembering where everything is. We can pick it up so we don't carry it around. Are you gonna play mini golf? Where to, baby? You gonna go up that way?
It's kind of spicy.
Yeah, I guess we'll start and go back in. They have beignets.
They have what?
They have beignets at the funnel.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I love those big shiny mugs right there.
Hey, how are you?
How much?
20.
Yeah.
Brown ones.
Don't come in and tell me about Prison Wilson that's pressing tobacco leaves in a piece of pottery, Colin Martin selling for hundreds. Oh, sorry.
Oh, yeah?
We're just trying to save money. So if you got one of the little ones, that's a little small one. You can use that as an olive dipping bowl, a ring bowl, candy bowl.
Yeah, I'm all about being creative with how I use stuff.
Oh, that's right.
Hi, how are you all?
We saw the guys down in Lenore. What was the festival that was down there? Was it you?
We're from Lenore, but we don't do any
What
festivals
was that
down
festival
there.
down there? I forget what it was.
Probably
Okay, let's go
Blackberry
this way.
Festival.
I like the mug and the little dish.
Okay. You wanna go this way?
Yeah.
Apparently there's 5 rows.
Yeah. So honey
So this is row 5.
We stopped everywhere, every stand, trying to find Honeycrisp apples and we couldn't find them.
That's better, isn't it?
Love to have a booth up here with goodies, you know.
Probably sell a bunch.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think it's all seasoned.
Man, you got one right here. Take that one.
Well, we can put a card where they can get it.
Put like a fishing line.
So you don't have to necessarily charge them.
So much for that one.
Okay, we'll stop going. We'll wait for you guys.
Jackets, sweaters, purses, wallets, and I've saved a lot of people for keys. So all the keychains you can drop on cement, they don't break. And I'm the only one in the world that makes them. That's my favorite. Like, it comes on a ribbon for free to have little ribbons. Okay. You want to wear it today.
Okay, so
Discount on each